help me. Yeah.
Whoa.
Playing in the front yard of the crib.
Let me tell you something.
Somebody help me up and actually
Bust a bus.
I said, yeah.
I grew up off of this man. And this is in an era with Nas, Mace, Jay-Z. You know what I'm saying? AZ. Right? Bum, 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 bum. And Biggie. When I think what a surprise. That dies. Alright, I can't sing this with him. And this is back damn near 30 years ago. But here's my question. This is tough. Like, I know Busta Rhymes ain't revered as the top one. Like, you got Eminem. Like, come on. Eminem is a killer. Right? Like, that's the only one that can compete, in my opinion. But here, let's get real. Everybody talking about Jay-Z. Everybody talking about Nas. Everybody talking about the new flavor, maybe Drake or Lil Wayne or whoever. You know, listen to this beat. Listen to it. Listen to your favorite rapper and let them rap on this beat and let them beat this song back damn near 30 years ago. I want to hear it. Please let me hear it because I'm not sure anybody can beat this. And I am a number one Nas fan. Nas can't do this. And it's a style thing. Nas got his own lane. Jay-Z got his own lane. Bus, he got his own lane, but this here, who can do this? I'm not sure. Let me know.